Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion.
And an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted on by an outside force. Let's move on to our first example.
This ball is a good example of Newton's first law. It's going to stay at rest until acted on by an outside force, like this.
The first law also states that if I roll this ball, it will keep rolling until it is acted on by an unbalanced force, such as gravity, friction, or the grass, or the leaves. Stopped. Gotta focus. Okay. Newton's second law states that force equals mass times acceleration.
Let's move on to our examples about this.
According to Newton's second law, force equals mass times acceleration. So an object with little mass will take less force than an object with large mass to accelerate. An example, I can pick up this tennis ball and not have any trouble with it. But I can't pick up this truck. I probably will never be able to lift a truck.
With Newton's second law, I can pick up this little stick pretty easily. But if we go over here, I cannot pick up this mailbox. Yeah, I cannot pick up the mailbox. Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
Let's get on to some examples. Example, jumping. This explains Newton's third law because when I push down on the ground with my feet, then the ground pushes back up on me, which pushes me in the air.
Example for Newton's third law is with this tennis ball. Again. So, if I take the tennis ball and throw it at the ground, the action would be it hitting the ground. The reaction would be the ground pushing it back up. Cool stuff. That's the end. Thanks, for watching.
For real.
Oh, we're going?
Yes!
So, the second law, I can throw this ball, but I cannot throw.